What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jimmy Dedications. I'm gonna show y'all how to fix the string in y'all hoodie. So what you need is either something this skinny that will fit through the hole, but you also need it to fit through the hole if the string is taped to it. If my string is taped to this, it won't fit through the hole, so I got a paper clip. Basically, all you need is a skinny long thing, right? That'll fit through this hole, and that'll fit through the that can fit through the hole, and that you can tape the string to. So we're gonna tape the string to the paper clip, right? Just like this. And then we're gonna pass it through like this. Boom. Passed it through, right? And then we just gonna feed it through like this. The wider the wider the thing is, the better it'll be. But as you can see, just put it in and inchworm it like this. Hold the paper clip still and inchworm it. You can bunch it up as much as you need to, but we can keep bunching it up. That's like as much as it'll bunch up, and inchworm it. This really happened to me. We almost there, y'all. Bro, 10 seconds. You got it, bro. I believe in you. Come on, get right, my boy. What I told y'all. What I told y'all, less than 2 minutes. Even though I didn't start at 2 minutes, I still got it done in less than 2 minutes. So yeah, y'all go to like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, we out, bro. That's how you fix it under 2 minutes.